This P0452 repairing video is dedicated to Saturn's drivers. If your Saturn is getting a P0452 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0452. It means the voltage received by the engine computer from the EVAP system is not within the manufacturer's parameters. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Saturn's P0452 error code. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the fuel tank pressure sensor. The fuel tank pressure sensor is part of the fuel pump assembly and is usually mounted on top of the tank. First, carefully remove the fuel tank pressure sensor from the fuel tank. Check the seal and the electrical connection for any damages. If damages are found, replace the fuel tank pressure sensor. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Saturn's P0452 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.